Hey, I'm Charlie. Thanks for watching today. We are going through my 2005 KX250. This is not Eli Tomac's bike that Kawasaki and Monster Energy built for him, but a replica of his. Pretty much everything's as close as possible to his except for the triple clamps. The bike started off as a normal KX250, went through the whole bike. The gentleman that built it is in Illinois and did an amazing job replicating the Eli Tomac KX250. I'm gonna put the link below for that Monster Energy Kawasaki video. They did a really cool video of him riding this bike. It's pretty cool to see all the pros, like even McGrath and everybody riding KX500s and going back to the two-stroke world. You know, a lot of these guys are wanting to have a two-stroke in their lives, whether they raced them in the past or not. It's great to see that everybody's sort of going back to that just for fun. Not racing, but just riding them again. You know, we just saw Chad Reed this year being at one of the Supercross events and riding one of his older YZ250s. It's just super cool, and I think that's why so many people are enjoying these bikes. I do not ride this one. This bike has been ridden a couple times, but I do not ride this one. I just think it's such a cool piece. I'm just gonna keep it in the collection how it is. And we just did another KX250 review of another KX that I have. And again, I don't ride this because like I have Wilhan's 2017 YZ250 with A kit, and that thing's totally Mac Daddy'd out. And so I'd rather ride that than this bike anyway. No offense to the KX250. But anyway, we'll do a good B-roll around the bike, show you a little bit about it. Check out the video like I said. Follow us. We drop about a video a week on bikes from my collection, to race cars, to a new race car coming up in the near future once we take delivery of it. Evo 2, if you guys know what that is. And that's it. Massimo, anything else to add?
Do you have a favorite part of this bike in terms of the build?
What's that?
Do you have a favorite part? Like, what's your favorite part of the bike?
Oh, this? You know, I love the graphics. I think the graphics look amazing on the bike. All the little things like the ET3s you have in the hubs where they haul, you know, just the attention to details all there. The tires have the Dunlop logos on them. You know, all the Cerakoted parts, you know, that you'll see that are true to his build as well. I think they just did a really good job with the build.
Awesome.
All right, you guys, stay tuned for more videos to come. Thank you for watching.